Hello, Sudoku friends. Welcome today on Monday. Yes, Monday, June the 14th, 2021. We have here an additional with 7 extra Sudokus or puzzles. The first one, a letter Sudoku. The second one, 2 stars Sudoku, 3 star Sudoku, the 4 star Sudoku. Then we have a tectonic with 4 stars, tectonic with 1 star, and only one binary puzzle number 1. So total of 7 extra Sudokus, but I won't do them all. Only 4 of them I will solve. And those are the 3 stars, the 4 stars Sudoku, and then a tectonic with 4 stars, and a binary puzzle. So not all of them I will solve. Why? Well, too much for me and time consuming. And if I upload to YouTube, I need the same time for uploading it to my channel. So if the puzzle is 15 minutes, then I need also 15 minutes to upload to YouTube. All right, let's talking. So let's begin. 3 stars, and this will be number 2944. And before I start, I always count the printed digits. Well, this one has 25 printed digits. Correct me if I'm wrong. All right, so let's get started. Let me scan the puzzle. Which number can I pick? How about the number we see here in the middle row? The middle row, we have a 3 and a 2. 3 in the middle row, we have 5 missing numbers. 2 of those missing numbers are the 3 and a 2. We have a 3 and a 2 in this big square, so no 3 and a 2 in those 3 boxes. The 3 and a 2 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. Let me mark those 2 boxes, 2 and a 3, okay. So we have a 3 in this column, 3 in that column, so the column between, the only place for the 3 should be there. Those missing numbers are the 1 is missing, 2, 3, 4, 5, the 6 is missing, 1, 6, and the 9 are missing. We see here a 1 in this column, 1 in the middle column, so the column next, the only place for the 1 should be there. The 9 and the 6 are missing. We see here 9. A 6, so no 6 there. 6 should be here, and the 9 goes there. Then we have a 6 in this column, 6 in the middle column, so the column next, the only place for the 6 should be there. Then let me see, 1, 2, 3, 4, 8, 7. All right. 7. How about the number? Let me see. I need pairs. We have an 8 in this column, 8 in that column. So the column between, the only place for the 8 should be there. 8. All right. How about 1, 6, 4. The second row, 4 missing numbers. One of the missing numbers is 4. We see here 4 in this big square, so no 4 in those 2 boxes. So the 4 could be here, could be there. We see here on 4, so no 4 there. 4 should be there. All right. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 is missing. 8, no, 8, 7. 157. Okay. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39, 40, 41, 42, 43, 44, 45, 46, 47, 48, 49, 50, 51, 52, 53, 54, 55, 56, 57, 58, 59, 60, 61, 62, 63, 64, 65, 66, 67, 68, 69, 70, 71, 72, 73, 74, 75, 76, 77, 78, 79, 80, 81, 82, 83, 84, 85, 86, 87, 88, 89, 90, 91, 92, 93, 94, 95, 96, 97, 98, 99, 100, 101, 102, 103, 104, 105, 106, 107, 108, 109, 110, 111, 112, 113, 114, 115, 116, 117, 118, 119, 120, Let me think. 5. Okay. 5. 5. Uh-huh. In this big square, we have 5 missing numbers. One of the missing numbers are 5. We see here 5, no 5 in these 3 boxes. There are 5, no 5 in those 2 boxes. So 1 box left for the 5. Should be there. In this big square, we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 missing numbers. One of the missing numbers are 5. We see here 5, no 5 in those 2 boxes. Here 5, no 5 in these 2 boxes. So the 5 could be here, could be there. So we have a 5 in one of those 2 boxes in this column, 5 in that column, last column. So the column between, the only 2 places for the 5 should be here or there. We see there 5, no 5 there, 5 should be there. Then in this big square, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 5. We see here 5, no 5 in those 3 boxes. There are 5, no 5 in these 3 boxes. So 1 box left. No. 2 boxes left for the 5. Could be here, could be there. So we have a 5 in one of those 2 boxes in the third column, 5 in the first column. So the column between the second column, the only place for the 5 should be there. So we have a 5 in this row, 5 in the middle row, so on the wall above. The only 2 places for the 5 should be here or there. We see there 5, no 5 there, 5 should be there. Alright. Okay. How about the number? Four. Yeah. 2, 3, and a 5. Yes, no, 2, 3, and 6. Okay. 3 missing numbers. One of the missing number in this column is a 6. We see here 6, no 6 there. Here 6, no 6 there. The only place for the 6 should be there. So now we have 2 numbers left. The 2 and the 3. 2 and 3. We see here 2, no 2 there. 2 should be here. And the 3 goes there. Alright. So we have a 2 in this column. 2 in the column next, so in that column, the only 2 places for the 2 should be here or there. We see there 2, no 2 there, 2 should be there. I've eliminated the 5, so the 5 goes there. 2 numbers left in this big square for the numbers 3 and 7. Let me mark those 2 boxes, 7 and 3. Okay. So we have a 5 in this first row. Oh, wait. I've marked those 2 boxes with the 5. Now we have a 5 there. So this box can't be a 5 anymore. That box should be a 5. All right. Can we, yes, we have all the 5s. And all the 5s are used. I can see. Yes, digit number 1, number 5. All right. 7. 3. Yeah. 1 number left in this middle row for the number 3. Okay, so we have now 7, 8. 3 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is an 8. We see here an 8, no 8 in those 2 boxes. 1 box left for the 8. Should be there. 2 numbers left in this big square for the numbers 4 and 7. 4 and 7. Let me mark those 2 boxes. 4 and 7. Alright. 7, 3. 3. Okay, so we have a 3 in one of those 2 boxes in the last column, 3 in the column next. So in that column, the only 2 places for the 3 should be here or there. We see there 3, no 3 there, 3 should be there. 3 missing numbers now. 1, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 is missing, and 9 is missing. 3 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 9. We see here 9, no 9 in those 2 boxes. So 1 box left for the 9 should be there. 2 numbers left in this big square for the numbers 1 and 6. 1 and 6. We see here 1, no 1 there. 1 should be here, and a 6 goes there. All right, 2 numbers left in this column. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and a 9 are missing. 7 and a 9. So the other pair in this big square should be the numbers 4 and 6. 4 and 6. Let me mark those 2 boxes. 4 and 6. 7 and 3. Okay. 2 numbers left in this row for the numbers 2 and 4. Yeah, 2 and 4 are missing. The other pair in this big square should be the numbers 1 and 6. 1 and 6. Yeah. 7, 3 and 8. 2 numbers left in the second row for the numbers 1 and 7. 1 and 7 are missing. We see here 7, no 7 there. 7 should be here, and a 1 goes there. Now we have a 1 here, so this box can be 1 anymore. That box should be a 1, and this box should be a 6. Okay. All right. So we have a 6 in the third column, 6 in the second column. So in the first column, the only 2 places for the 6 should be here or there. We see there 6, no 6 there, 6 should be there. Now we have a 6 there. So this box can be 6 anymore. That box should be a 6. And this box should be a 4. All right. Yeah, 7, 3. Okay, 2 and a 4. So we have a 1 in the third column, 1 in the first column, so the column between the second column. The only 3 places for the 1 should be here, here, or there. We see here 1, no 1 there, here 1, no 1 there. The only place for the 1 should be there. Okay. And all the 1s are used. I can't see. Digit number 2, number 1. Okay. Do we have all the 6s? Yeah, let me count. And all the 6s are used. I can see. Digit number 3, number 6. All right. 7, 9, 3, and 4. 3 missing numbers in this row. One of the missing number is a 7. We see here 7, no 7 there. Here 7, no 7 there. The only place for the 7 should be there. 2 numbers left in this row for the numbers 9 and 4. 9 and 4. And I cannot fill this yet. Let me mark those 2 boxes, 9 and 4. Alright. 4, 4. 4, 4. Okay. 2, 3. 2, 3. Yeah. 3, 3. One of the missing number in this big square is the number 3. We see here 3, so no 3 in these 2 boxes. So the 3 could be here, could be there. Now we have a 3 in one of those 2 boxes in the first row, so this box cannot be a 3 anymore. That box should be a 3. This box should be a 7. Alright, so we have a 7 in the first row, 7 in the second row. So in the third row, the only place for the 7 should be there. Now we have a 7 there, so this box cannot be 7 anymore. That box should be a 7, and this box should be a 4. Alright, 1 number left in the middle column for the number 8. Yes, 8 is missing. 8 in this column, 8 in the middle column. So the column next, the only place for the 8 should be there. 1 number left in this big square for the number 4. 4 in this column, 4 in the middle column. So the column next, the only 2 places for the 4 should be here or there. We see there 4, no 4 there, 4 should be there. 1 number left in this big square for the number 9. Now we have a 9 there, so this box can be 9 and more. That box should be a 9, and this box should be a 7. 4 missing numbers now in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 7. We see here 7, no 7 in these 2 boxes. There 7, no 7 in those 2 boxes. So 1 box left for the 7 should be there. And all the 7s are used. I can see. Digit number 4, number 7. 2 numbers left in the last row for the numbers 8 and 3. We see here an 8, no 8 there. 8 should be here and a 3 goes there. 1 number left. Oh, wait. 3 in this column, 3 in the second column. So the third column, the only place for the 3 should be there. 1 number left in the second row for the number, column for the number 2. 2 numbers left in this big square. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, the 8 and the 9. 8 and the 9. We see here an 8, no 8 there. 8 should be here and a 9 goes there. And now we have a 9 here. So this box can be 9 anymore. That box should be a 9. And this box should be a 4. Now we have a 4 there. So this box can be 4 anymore. That box should be a 4. And this box should be a 2. Final number of this big square for the number 2. Finished in 16 minutes. Alright. 3 stars. No, because for 3 stars I need 20 to 30 minutes to solve. And I've managed to solve this in 60 minutes. So for a 60-minute puzzle, I think this puzzle should be a 2 stars. Because for 2 stars, I need 15 to 20 minutes to solve. And I'm pleased with the time. And I like this one. Yes, I really do. Do you think so? Thumbs up. Otherwise, thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it or solve it by yourself. Thank you again for watching. And I will see you later in the second puzzle, Sudoku. It will be a 4-star Sudoku. So prepare for that one. Who knows? This one will be a very heavy or hard to solve. See you then. Bye-bye for now.